What did I say? No.
Got like 10 more minutes, buddy.
Huh?
No.
You demanding that I take your phone right now?
20 in the morning. It's 6:20 in the morning.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No more breakfast.
He just knocked me on the kitty. No shit.
What happened? What'd you do? What happened? Talk to me.